welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here, and guess what, guys? We have my hubby again. Hi, yay! By popular demand, Josh is back, or should I say Barney's back on the channel, and yeah, today's gonna be so much fun.
By popular demand.
That's right.
3 people wanted to see me again.
I wanted to see you back too, babe. So yeah. Well, today's exciting, and it's exciting because we are going to be doing the Mary Kay men skincare line.
Ooh.
Okay, yes. I finally got my hubby to agree to try the Mary Kay MK men line.
Because he said this was my birthday present. Right?
Yes, I gifted it to him as a birthday present. For years, I've been asking him to, give these a try, and his answer was always no. He just, I don't know what it is about men and...
Sorry.
Okay.
I was trying to smell it.
I don't know what it is about men and skincare products, especially when you mention Mary Kay. I think they all just kind of feel, oh, it's a girl's product. It's for women.
Well, yeah, the name Mary is in there.
Yeah.
So, if it was like Gary K or Larry K, then... Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
It's Mary Kay, but it's MK men. And look, this is very men-like. Very masculine,
Look at the font on that, yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to have him try these products. Like I said, it was a gift for his birthday that's coming up. And yeah, so I thought, why not come on here and have him do a first impression, okay, to these products. And this will be fun for you ladies watching. You're trying to get your men to get on our skincare line. So I guess this would be great for them too to also watch. So definitely get them to watch this video too, so they can see Josh here. Barney. They can see Barney here try, give his first impression, put the products on and see that it's absolutely fine for men to also take care of their skin. Because there are men out there who do love to take care of their skin and do love to moisturize and are into colognes and all that great stuff. And Mary Kay does cater to men too. We have a full men's collection. We have an after-shaving gel and perfumes and colognes for men. So yeah, men are not left out. They're not left out at all. So, I definitely, want to make this video just so, we can share and we can get the men out there to see that Mary Kay does cater to guys too. Not just us the ladies. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be so much fun. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe before you head out, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please share and show everyone. Men do love to be pampered to and taken care of. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. You excited?
Yes. This is my early birthday present. Anybody out there who is a Leo? Any July Leos out there? Go ahead and comment down below.
July Leos. Okay, so let's get started. So the first product he's gonna start with is the Men's Daily Facial Wash. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up shot of this product. This product is suitable for dry to oily skin, suitable for sensitive skin. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic. So, it's not gonna dry out your skin. It's not gonna irritate you. You wanna try this out?
So, just a quick question.
Yeah.
Do I use this in the morning when I take a shower before work, or do I use it before I go to bed?
Use this twice a day. Skincare.
Okay.
So you gotta wash your face with it. As you're doing your morning routine, you wash your face in the shower or wash your face at the sink. And same thing you do at nighttime. You gotta wash your face at nighttime too, because you're gonna go out to work. Stuff from the environment sit in your pores, sit in your face. So you definitely want to wash your face before bedtime too.
Twice a day.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I don't think that's hard though.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll make sure you do it. How about that?
What does non-comedogenic mean? Because there's the word comedy in there, so it means that this stuff is not funny. This is some serious stuff here, folks. Non-comedogenic.
Non-comedogenic means...
denoting a skincare product or cosmetic that is specially formulated so as to not cause blocked pores.
So it's not going to block your pores.
Alright,
okay?
So do you want me to just...
yeah, so you're going to start with this. I got you a towel.
Oh, so I'm going to do it right here on camera. What am I doing?
You're going to take... What? Your hands clean?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have water. Sink? I can squirt your hands.
I will go like this.
Okay. Alright. Well, you need some water to activate your cleanser.
Well, you just told me how to do it. I spray my face.
No. I'm going to spray your hands.
Oh.
Because this spray... He's a trooper.
I'm a trooper. I usually go here.
Oh yeah. You gonna shave for us today? We have the shaving foam. Want to get rid of the beard?
No.
So, what does it smell like? Just put it on. What do you think about it?
It's kind of smooth. You know, it's smooth. So it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face.
Yeah.
It's not soapy.
Well, that's because you don't have enough water. There's enough water right now to activate the cleanser. We'll have him go rinse up and he'll be right back.
All right, I'll be right back.
So, how does your skin feel?
It feels nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels smooth. I mean, because I don't know if I'm talking about like what other men do, but I just use a bar of soap in the shower.
Yeah.
And so there's two things that's bad about that I've learned. Is one, you should never wash your face in the shower because the water you use when you shower is usually warmer than you should use to wash your face with, and you should wash your face with cool water because it's better. Mm-hmm. And if you use a bar of soap, it'll dry out your skin really fast too. So the convenience of being able to just wash my face like that, and then there. So my skin now feels a little, I would say, skinnier. Like it feels like skin. Not like skinnier as in like it's thinner, but it feels like it feels like the like parts of my skin like anywhere else on my body.
Okay. What did it feel like before?
Dry. It just felt kind of, just rough and dry, but now it just kind of feels a bit smoother.
Okay, so it feels a lot better than it did before you tried the cleanser.
Yeah, it does. It feels cleaner actually.
Cleaner.
Yeah, it feels cleaner.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good. So Mary Kay has the Advanced Eye Cream and the Advanced Facial Hydrator, and I'm going to show you guys a close-up shot of those products on the screen right there. Okay, so next up we're gonna have you put on some eye cream. Have you ever worn eye cream?
No. Why would I wear eye cream?
Because
now I'm going to start wearing eye cream.
Now you're gonna start wearing. That's right. I mean, we all have skin, and we'll have to take care of our skin basically. Okay, so women, we put eye cream on. Men should absolutely put eye cream on. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So we're gonna have him do. What?
Nothing. You look so beautiful today.
I didn't look beautiful yesterday.
No, you look beautiful. You look beautiful every day.
I've been put on. Yeah, I'll have you do it. You
all right,
can do it.
all right.
You're grown.
I'm a grown man. I can put on my own eye cream.
That's
Thank you
right.
very much.
That's right.
So, all right. So people who don't know eye cream, you don't put it in your eye, right? You put it. Okay.
No, honey, you don't put it in your eye.
All right.
You put it around, on your eyes, like on the skin under the eyes.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
All right. So I just put it on.
What is this? Just do dots. Pop, 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 pop. Just do little dots.
Pop, pop.
Okay, and on the other eye too.
Pop, pop.
Okay.
All right. Now what do I do?
And then you rub it in. And I also like to get the top of my lids too, because listen, wrinkles are real, honey. You know you need some eye cream.
I got laugh lines.
Yeah, that's right, and that's gonna help soften that. Well, there's nothing wrong with laugh lines, but you just as long as you're moisturizing your skin is what's fine.
So why is the cream different for eye? What part of the skin under the eye is? Why
is it different from a face moisturizer?
Yeah, why is it?
Well, because the skin under our eye is more delicate than the rest of the skin on our face.
Oh, okay.
Our skin under the eye is very delicate. It's very sensitive. It's thinner. Most times that's the first part of our face that shows signs of aging or premature aging, because we start to get those wrinkles and bags or sagging or laugh lines, because that skin around the eye area is just very fine and very thin and very delicate. So you're not going to use the same heavy face moisturizer that you have for your face. It's not going to work the same for the under eye. That's why you have to have a separate eye cream. Yeah.
My eyes are beautiful.
Did you put it on your eyelids?
You didn't say eyelid. You said on.
I said that I also put it on the eyelids.
You said pop, 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 pop.
I did.
I thought pop, pop was one eye, and then pop, pop was the other eye. Not pop, 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 and then pop, pop, pop.
And then pop, pop on the up top. Pop, pop.
Pop, pop on the top. So how do I put it under my eye? I have to close my eyes.
Just tilt your head back. Don't close your eyes.
Oh.
Yeah, just tilt your head back and just pat it in until it soaks into the skin.
Pop, pop.
Do you want me to help you?
I don't know how to do this.
So just tilt your head back. There you go. And just there's all your skin right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see that. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So when I go like this, they go away.
Yeah.
If I go like this, ow!
Yeah.
That's so cool. Pop, pop.
Yeah, just like that.
And
Yeah, just stop. And then you're gonna blend it. And then you're gonna
pop,
rub.
pop.
There you go.
All right, and just blend it in.
And just rub it in.
Pop, pop.
Don't get it in your eye though. And a little bit's all you need. You know, you actually
Oh,
need
it's
that
too.
much.
Oh, well, now you tell me. Man, I'm gonna have the best lids in the neighborhood. I've been going next to people. Wow, look at that guy's eyelids.
That's right.
They're so
They're so smooth.
They're
No
smooth.
wrinkles.
Man, say what you want about Bernie, but his eyelids are smooth.
Hold on, let me blend this.
Let me blend it. No, I thought it was pop pop. So it's pop. It's pop
I
pop.
just
Then
said
tap.
pop pop. There's
Then-
no pop
and
pop
then-
in the directions. Not the part of. How did it feel going on?
Feels refreshing.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did
It
it-
feels.
Is it greasy?
No.
When I touched it, I almost felt like it had absorbed. Like I couldn't.
Yeah.
You know how some products, you know, and you see that film of product just sitting on your skin. I don't see that.
No.
I think, you know, I feel like it absorbed. It just reminds me of our Tamari's 3D eye cream.
Is there? Does this have SPF in it?
This has SPF in it.
Oh, that does, but not the eye cream.
No.
Oh, okay.
This has SPF in it.
And I noticed it doesn't smell. It doesn't have a scent to it.
That's right. It has no fragrance.
Okay.
Is that
'Cause-
you like fragrance?
No, no. Well, I'm glad because I have my own scent. I have my own smell, and I didn't want this. And I was worried that I'd end up smelling like, you know,
Roses.
no, like some sort of like Axe body spray crap or something. So any men out there be using this product, you still have your own smell. So
Yeah,
it doesn't smell.
Your manly scent.
And manly scent.
Well, that's good. So
Yeah.
yeah, so far so good. Yeah. So now we're gonna go in with the advanced facial hydrator, and this has a sunscreen in it. This is what you want to definitely be wearing before you go to work.
Okay.
Okay, before you head out the door.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, SPF 30. You get your moisturizer and your sun protection in one.
So you know what SPF stands for, right? Sun protection factor.
Sun protection factor.
And the 30 represents 30 how long it usually takes you to burn. That it's 30 times longer than what you normally is. So an SPF 30 for me would last less time than somebody who takes longer to burn than me. It takes me 5 minutes, 3 minutes to burn in the sun. So then SPF 30 it'll only take 90 minutes for me to burn in the sun.
Okay, and that's why I know a lot. Sometimes some of these products they tell you that you should reapply.
Right. Yeah.
That's why?
Yeah.
Okay.
So somebody would put on SPF 30, and if it takes them 10 minutes to burn in the sun, then SPF 30 they'll take them 300 minutes. So it takes them longer.
Interesting.
So,
See,
yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Learned something new today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pop pop.
So yeah, this just goes all over your face. Go ahead.
We
And can you be more nice to what you put in your product? Be like a butcher. Like,
put it on. But I'm an MK men.
that's right. Oh wow. Okay. Well, there he goes.
Yeah. I burn on the ears. My earlobe. So did you know? Ears and nose.
What?
Your ears and your nose continue to grow throughout your entire life.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why all old people have huge ears and huge noses.
Hmm. Interesting.
Yep. So, how big my nose is now? Oh, baby, you wait. You wait another 40 years.
Well, right back at you, because this is gonna keep growing then, huh?
But it's so beautiful already.
Oh,
You will look
sweet.
beautiful with it.
Yeah,
Giant
my
nose.
African nose. Yeah. So he just put on his facial hydrator cream that's SPF 30. But in our household, and everyone should have sunscreen in their house, especially during the summer, we always put on the MK Sun Care Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Very important, right?
Yeah.
He puts it on. My little girls wear it. We all wear it at home when we're out and about. This is daily. This is like your skincare routine. But if you're going out, you know, I always make sure he puts on the sunscreen with SPF 50. You know, on his arms, his neck, you know, all the places is going to be exposed to so he doesn't burn. It's very affordable. And another product that's great for sun care is After Sun Replenishing Gel. It's got botanical extracts in it. It's very cooling. It's just very soothing for the skin. It's just going to help to soothe and calm your skin down after being out in the sun for so long. So these two products I definitely say, you know, should definitely have this summer to protect your skin from the sun, okay?
What I gotta say too is that what I like about the Mary Kay sunscreen is compared to the other sunscreens you buy at like pharmacy, this part it costs basically the same amount. Is that it's not greasy.
Yeah.
Like you ever put on sunscreen, you feel like, oh, I just can't wait to get back inside so I can wash this stuff off.
Yeah.
I forget that with this on, it just kind of, as you say, it blends right in, and it doesn't feel greasy at all.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you know, a lot of people don't wear sunscreen because they're put off by the smell. But you know, as my husband just said now, like with this, it's not off-putting, is it? Like
it's not greasy, and and it doesn't have a smell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when you put it on, you can smell the sunscreen, but it all goes away. Like it doesn't sit and just make you wanna wash it off. So the next product that's here, Mary Kay does have the shave foam. All right, and that's this product right here. Whoop.
Whoop.
What does it smell like?
That smells nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the smell. It's good.
There is one more product on the MK line, and that is the after shaving gel. So like after you're done doing your shaving and stuff, it's that stuff you men put on.
Yeah.
You know,
okay.
To soothe or calm. Yeah. So that is it as far as the men's skincare line. What do you think about the whole thing? Do you think these steps are something that's going to be easy for you to do?
So yeah, I mean, it's nothing here seems going to take a long time. I do this twice a day. I wash this twice a day.
Yeah.
And I put this on before I go to work. I put these on before I go to work.
That's right.
All right.
Yep. And there you have it.
Cool.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're an MK man now?
I will give it the 30-day challenge. The MK Men 30-day challenge. Hashtag MK Men 30.
Yeah, you're gonna be hooked.
I hope so. If I feel a difference, because every time you see how beautiful your skin is, I always secretly get jealous.
Aww.
I'm like, I don't want to look like such an old man.
Aww.
Yeah.
Aww. That's sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, now we can both, you know, do the MK together.
Yeah, that's right.
And age gracefully. Alright, you guys, thank you. That is it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks, babe, for coming onto my channel again and being such a trooper and giving our MK Men line a try. So it is a birthday gift for him, so he's gonna have to use it up.
Yep.
Okay? And maybe he'll come back and tell us how his skin feels and if he's noticed any difference after using it morning and nighttime. Okay? I will make sure he does that. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. But I'm excited for you finally, give Mary Kay a try. Yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course hit the subscribe button on your way out, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Alright, thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.